Long ago, a shooting star crashed into Earth, giving the people of Wakanda a precious gift, vibranium. This powerful metal made Wakanda the strongest kingdom in the world. They built amazing tech, became experts in medicine, and made incredible weapons. Every Wakandan child grows up hearing tales of their ancestors and the hero who protects them, the Black Panther. And now we get to meet him. This is T'Challa, the Black Panther. He's just become king, but his first day on the job, he's got a mystery to solve. Come with me. So Wakanda is known all over the world for its amazing vibranium. But now, someone is stealing it. It's vanishing from their minds. If Wakanda loses its vibranium, it will lose everything. T'Challa vows to find out who's behind this and asks his little sister Shuri for help. She's the smartest tech genius in all of Wakanda, and she's also got a fun sense of humor. First, they look at where the vibranium is stored. Shuri scans the room with her little gadget. There's a big energy signature here, like something huge was ripped apart. She turns to her brother. It looks like an explosion. Whoever did this knew exactly what they were looking for. T'Challa puts on his iconic Black Panther suit. It's made of vibranium and looks super cool. But even cooler, it has claws, web shooters, and can talk to other Black Panthers all around the world. First up, he needs to track down that energy signature. So he jumps on a motorcycle and speeds out of town. He drives past villages, beautiful gardens, and Wakanda's amazing waterfall. Finally, deep in the jungle, he spots something strange. The trees are bent and broken. It looks like a big fight happened here. And when T'Challa gets closer, he sees giant footprints. Whoever's behind this is big. Really, really big. He follows the footprints until he finds a cave hidden behind some rocks. Using his panther senses, super hearing and smell, T'Challa hears and smells robots. He carefully peeks inside and sees a bunch of robotic creatures mining vibranium. He hides as they carry the vibranium out of the mine. When the coast is clear, T'Challa runs inside. On the walls are strange symbols, and strange symbols means one thing: trouble. Suddenly, one of the robots spots him. It lunges, but T'Challa jumps over it and lands behind it. He takes out his claws and slashes at the robot. It sparks and stops working. But then more robots show up and surround him. Taking out one robot after another, T'Challa realizes there's too many of them. Just as he's about to give up, Shuri appears with a vibranium-powered staff. Together, the royal siblings take out the rest of the robots. Then they see a huge pile of vibranium in front of the cave. As they walk closer, it starts to move. The stolen vibranium was being saved by a powerful machine. Then, out of the corner of his eye, T'Challa sees something. He runs to the machine and hits it with his staff. It's got a small energy signature. Suddenly, the machine opens up and out steps a familiar face, or faces. Ultron has returned. Using the stolen vibranium, he built an army of machines and planned to use them to take over Wakanda. But Black Panther and his sister stopped him. Working together, they took out Ultron's army and saved Wakanda. Shuri hacked the mainframe and deactivated all the robots. The cave is empty. It's time to go. As they swing away on their motorcycles, T'Challa tells his sister, "You know, for a genius, you sure do act a lot." Shuri rolls her eyes, but she's smiling. Being the smartest person in any room doesn't mean you have to act like a nerd. Sometimes it means you have to save Wakanda from evil robots. Black Panther swings back into Wakanda, a true hero. He reminds us that real power comes not just from being strong, fast, and brave, but also from being smart, having courage, and most of all, from helping others. And thanks to all the young Panthers watching, being a hero isn't about what you can do. but about who you are and how you help those around you. If you love Black Panther and want more heroic adventures, check out our other videos. Tell us in the comments which Marvel hero is your favorite.